Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. You see your boy Mr. Pashi. Alright guys, so we'll see if we can get some lobster from the fisherman. So yeah. Stay tuned and watch our go.
Hey guys, I'm just here driving my car. I'm going home. I wouldn't mind Josh get the lobster so he can prepare some food for me, you know? Let me try out the lobster. What is it?
Like vlog, you know?
You like it?
Yeah people, so check in back. We just go down to fisherman and him not there. So I assume say him still a dive, you see me, so just have to go and wait. So that is it. Yeah.
Pound now.
Climb how much pound?
5 pound may have been there. They're still alive, you see my move?
Yeah.
Just catch them all.
Oh, that crab? Oh, lobster
Yeah,
silver.
man. 3 crab there.
Oh, in big door. How this?
3 grand for that crab there, 4 pound. A king crab.
Okay.
5 pound a lobster, I give a pound for you. Give me 4 grand for them.
Alright. Let me go see what going on. Here, man,
I don't joke, if you seafood mix, bad.
Yeah.
You see me? All of them just catch a while ago. I just go catch them out of sea, you can tell me from this morning I'm in the bag of lobster, you know.
Oh.
You just come here and turn back.
Let's see what going on.
4 and 3, 7 grand for them there.
Colaz said this is a queen lobster or something like so. Alright, peeps, so as you can see, clean up the lobster. Yeah.
What is Mr. Aussie?
Yes. And yeah.
Mr. Aussie!
So see that? Spot it out so. Yeah guys, so I transfer them in a clean bowl and season them up. So stay tuned and watch how going. And also now get rid of some of the membrane on it, as you can see. Membrane. So yeah, stay tuned and watch how going. Alright people, check in back. So this is how the lobster is looking. All cleaned up, you see me? So I season them up now.
Yeah. Give me that. That's small. How about garlic?
Yeah people, so I got it to my butter. Alright, so get some more seasoning. Yes, sir. For Maggi, all purpose. May I get some of the hot sauce? No, at the same time. Yeah. Mix it around.
Gosh, that's little pig?
Mm-hmm.
No, I will bite you too.
It's not gonna bite me. It's not alive. Alright. So,
Embedded. You guys. Embedded. No. It was gonna call on you and bite you. Yes. The baby's come out. The baby Lobster is coming out. The baby Lobster is coming out to you.
yeah, peeps. So, take a look. Yeah, and we're gonna add more throughout the cooking process. So, this is just starting. So, stay tuned and watch how go at the same time. Me not work good. You know skinny. You know skinny, brother?
Abs and gone.
Brother, you have to do.
Make
I
me
like
take.
this gear abs, brother.
No, make me take time go up.
Dating.
Right now, me have 4. Already.
Dating.
I'm touch 5 a different thing. I'm touch 6, 7, 8. I reach it 10.
Put the point here, no?
I'm a different.
Put the point here, no? Lobster them viewed, seasoned up. So we transfer them to the pan here. Because I bake we bake them, you know, guys. Yes. Yeah, people, so I got my lobster them now. Add a second coat of seasoning on them. So, we just go and look and see what go on. Then we just go and bake. So, stay tuned and watch what go on stay there. Boop! You see me, guys, time of the day, so say my workout. You see me? I'm kind of motivate me now still, but I don't have no weight for burn off, guys. Alright, people, check in for the lobster inside of the oven hot. So in a few minutes, probably can show you how it look. Alright, people, 5 minutes gone. This is how it look. Yeah. Yeah, guys, check in again. Somebody just test it. See if it don't cook. That one is soft. Yeah. I think they're ready now still, guys. Yeah, so I take them out. Alright, people, this is what we're working with. You see me, guys. So may I get Auntie Shama and make sure she taste it for me. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, so Auntie Sham says ready to try it now. So, yeah. Yeah.
Garlic and the hot sauce, you know? Tastes really good.
Alright, so we hear it from Anna, guys. Yeah.
Not my brother, sir.
Soft and nice. My food, boy. What you give me?
What is that?
It's lobster. You want some, Clara? A joke, me never there again, man.
What's show my video? You have my video and I tell them what it is?
It tastes good though for it?
There. What is it called?
Yeah, man. She knows America, you know?
Yeah.
So, we get our honest opinion.